ko yung magsori-sori dire lang.
Dito mas daghan.
Mas
Kailan?
daghan na.
Ah. Sa imong ngalan daw?
Kim, Concepcion.
Kim? Ikaw?
Gigs.
Cake.
Hi, hope you're all having a wonderful day. It's Kate, and in today's video, I'll show you what people are looking for during low tide at the beach in front of the condo I'm staying at here in Escania Beach. I was looking outside my window and saw all these people. They seemed to be looking for something, and suddenly I began to be curious. I want to find out what exactly they're looking for. I'll show you what I've found out. You'll see what freshly caught seafood the locals are eating out of this leisure activity. And really, you'll find it a healthy and a fun pastime that you can do here in Dumaguete. So stick around until the end. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Like, share, comment below, and hit that notification bell for updates.
It's low tide right now and they might be looking for crabs. You know, small crabs. Ooh, crab.
Money sweeter than honey.
Mr. Krabby Patty.
Money.
Hi there.
Profit will make me
Mr.
one day
Krabs.
fat. What? Profit's down $3 from last month. I gotta start running a tighter ship around here.
Mr. Krabs, hi. Seashells. Oh, shell di ay. And other kinds of marine life. Creepy crawler. This is starfish. It's moving. I'm just being careful here because there's like weeds and it's probably like slimy and it's kind of hard to walk onto.
To prevent a sea urchin sting, look carefully when exiting the ocean, particularly in areas that are rocky, have coral or iron shore coral. Do not handle marine life.
Be nice.
Marine animals are sensitive to human touch, and handling or moving them may stress the animal or remove protective covering on the scales or skin. Sea urchin stings and deep puncture wounds can be a serious medical situation. If you have a sea urchin sting or puncture wound and have symptoms like tissue necrosis, paralysis, or respiratory failure, go to your nearest urgent care or emergency department.
So yeah, let's go find out what they're looking for and let's ask them if it's like a daily thing for them. Are they looking for food? Better watch out for those stinkers. It's 90% rain today, drizzling a little bit. That's the condo. Ship over there. That's where the boulevard is. And that way over there is the Silman Beach. Oh, there's one empty shell here, look. Isn't that like a fossil or something? Looks like it. Unsa inyong gig ano? Unsa man na? Ano? Sa Labake, unsa man na?
Urchin.
Si Urchin. Ay, na ano nyo na? Saan dyan? Patingin nga. Ay!
Si Urchin. Ano?
Hala, di ba man na masakit na?
Ayun,
Ano?
yung ipem.
Ayun, ano yan?
Shells ito.
Tapos shell din.
Shells.
Patingin ng shell.
Ganyan.
Paano mo buksan yan?
May ano yan eh. Pag maluto, ano yan?
So the shells, they have to cook it so they can easily open it.
Tuyin pa ito.
Alulutuin mo na yan. Tapos nang gisawsaw niya ng... ano pa yun?
Ano? Balat.
Pareho lang ang ano?
Balat.
Ano yung mga pangalan niya? Hindi ko
Balat.
alam.
Ano? Sa Tagalog nito?
English. Tapos noon isama niyo sa saging.
Wala. Iba yung saging.
Ano yan?
Ito?
Oo.
Ito. Yung laman ito. Ay yung
Ay, patingin na.
laman.
Laman niya.
Ay, ano,
Tapos noon paano mo gi-open yan?
Ito. Ganyan lang.
Imong hiwaon.
Tapos yan. Yun yung malaman.
Patingin.
Yung kukunin yung mga pagkain niya. Ito yung ito lang kailangan. Yung
Yung yellow.
Oo.
Ganun ba? Tapos nung isawsaw mo sa pag-uong.
Iba yung pag-uong.
Ay ba? Ano yan? Itlog?
Ito lahat.
Ayan yan.
Oo.
Ayun. Wala. Tsaka, yan lang. Anong gisabaw niyo? Wala?
Yung kalamansi. Yung
Kalamansi.
saka bitchin.
Kalamansi, betchin. Kalamansi yung lemon.
Limon.
Sa imo ngalan daw.
Kim, yun.
Kim? Ikaw?
Pigs.
Kigs. Happy New Year. Enjoy eating.
Okay,
Sige, thank you
Okay, ma'am. Bago
Saan?
naik na po San Miguel pag
Beer. Oh, wow. Good. Parang pulutan pala yan. Tapos, asan ninyo gikuha? Doon sa lalom? Or, dire-dire lang. Okay. Thank you So that's what they're finding here, the sea urchin. And they eat it straight away, like raw, from the sea. Oh, what is this? There's one. I found one. Sea urchin. Ooh, it's a big one there. They also bring their own food.
Yung kalamansi. Yung
Calamansi.
saka bitchin.
So sawan, which is the sauce made of calamansi, and they put betsin, and on the side they put ginamos, marinated small fish. The weather is so nice right now, guys, so if you want relaxing here at the beach, meditating maybe, just listen to the sound of the waves, keeps you calm, and watch the people looking for treasure maybe. Who knows what you might find here, right? Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Unsa na pareho gihapon. Unsa na? Anong tawag ga?
Salawaki.
Salawaki, pero sea urchin ano?
Oo.
Kana mo ilang ikaon dito. Wala mo ipanong kanon, ma'am. So idiretso ra na ninyo og ano?
Oo. Butangan kalamansi.
Ay wala man. Kanang saon dili ninyo kon una? Kana wala na yan?
Wala na. Kanina yellow. Kanina na siya.
Okay. Dahil yung sasawan na siya?
Dili, amo na naki.
Yan na yun. Nagka naman kayo mong nakuha. No? So she got a lot already. Unsay mo ngalan, ma'am? Nelsa. Ikaw, unsay mo ngalan? Allen? Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy. So dire ra ninyo gipangita na dire banda?
Dili na ako taon magsuri-suri dire lang.
Dito mas daghan.
Mas daghan na. Pero mas daghan unod kung dire ka na sa bato-bato kay murag matamunan na siya mag-aber bato. Mao na siya daghan unod.
Okay. Sige, mangita ako. Thank you, There you have it. She's also looking for sea urchin, and then they have this little container that they put the sea urchin. It's actually the yellow meat that they wanted. Put some monosodium glutamate, MSG, or the lemon juice. Daghan mo nakuha. Patingin. Ano yan? Sea urchin din? Shell. Shell di ay. Pero kanon po dahil yun. Unsay tawag na doon? Shell na. Clam? Hindi naman. Clam? Okay. Sa'yo mo nga lang daw. Thank you. Lutuin nyo yan o hindi na? Lutuin. They find those stuff, but I guess you have to be keen with your eyesight. Creepy crawler. There's another one. Moving. when you're bored, you come out here, get some air, and just find something, you know? Who knows what you can find out here. A little crowd there. Everybody's looking for their shell or their sea urchin. Drizzling more right now. Look at him. He's gonna go ride the surfboard. We'll see if he can make one. One big wave. Come on. He's finding one. He's the only one surfing here. Nobody else. Oh, I love the sea breeze and the sound of the waves. It's so calming. Keeps you relaxed. Taking him a while to get a good wave. Starting to rain hard now. Okay, we're heading back. You gotta be careful with those black sea urchins because it's gonna sting you. So I'm watching out every time I step here. It's not slippery at all. That's where I'm gonna climb up. See if I can. Oh geez. It's a bit high for me. I have a bad knee. Okay, let's go ahead and try it.